Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing Reddit Enhancement Suite for your browser and signing into Reddit so RES can tie settings to your account. Once installed, enable the extension and allow the minimal permissions it requests. Open the RES settings console immediately. This is where you'll configure global behavior. Make sure to back up default settings if prompted. You're now ready to change core modules. Keep the settings console open and proceed to enable features that match how you browse. Now, focus on the complex middle. Pick and enable the core RES modules that change daily use. Turn on Never-Ending Reddit for continuous scroll, inline image viewer for quick previews, and user tagger to label accounts. Once done, tweak keyboard shortcuts and feed behavior under UI tweaks so navigation matches your workflow. Configure per subreddit filters and keyword highlights to reduce noise. These rules run automatically. Make sure to test changes on one subreddit before scaling them across all your communities. Finish by exporting a settings backup and enabling sync if you use multiple devices. This preserves your customizations. Then perform real tasks. Post a comment, vote, open inline images, and navigate threaded replies to confirm everything behaves as expected. If something breaks, disable other extensions to check conflicts, clear your browser cache, and reopen RES. If problems persist, open the browser console to look for errors and revert the last setting change. This usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.